everybody, it's Tuesday, it's Magic Maths Day. I've got a little bit of recap from what we did last week and then something new to do today, so I hope you're ready. Get those brains at the ready, get your glasses ready, and let's let that Magic Maths begin. Here we go. Right, now, thank you to those of you that enjoyed doing the grid referencing and telling me all about it. I'm so glad that you had fun playing that game with your mums and your dads. I thought we'd have a little bit of a recap now, just to remind ourselves, and if you weren't very good at it last week, if you were getting a bit confused, maybe doing it again with me now just might help you a little bit. So the grid was all about being able to spot where the characters in the story were sitting on the square grid and being able to say which one was sitting in, say, square 4B. 4B. Well, if we look here, we can see straight away it's Hefty Hugh in 4B. There we go, let's get him off then. So, let's see if we can work out where these characters are sitting before we get on with today's maths. So we're going to have a look for the horse. You have a look at the grid and see if you can work out what square is the horse sitting in. So we go to the row first, that's the one that goes across that way horizontally. So the row is number 4, all the way across until we get to the horse, and we come down and it's in that column, that's the line going up, D, isn't it? So 4D is where the horse is sitting. There we go. Let's have a go at another one. Let's have a go at stopping at the prize cow. Where is the prize cow sitting? Which square on the grid is she sitting in? Start with the row number 2, all the way across to D. It's the same row. Sorry, it's the same column, isn't it? It's the same column that the horse was sitting in, but the horse was number 4 and the cow is number 2. So 2D is where the cow is. What about the ladybird? Where's the ladybird sitting? Start with the row number 5. That's right, all the way along to the letter C. K is the sound. 5 K or 5C is where the ladybird is. Did you get that? Are you getting it now? It's a little bit easier the more you practice. The sheep, where is that sheep sitting? Or the ram, whatever you want it to be. In row number 2. In square B. 2B. 2B is where that sheep is. And the last one, woofing in the corner, is the dog. Far away. And the very last column, top row, last column, so number 1 row, all the way across to square, right at the end. So 1 is where the dog is sitting. 1, and there you go. There you have it. So if you didn't understand it before, I'm hoping you do a little bit more now. I enjoyed playing it with my Ella. Now then, I'm going to put the grid away and we're going to get on to today's little challenge. Now, I have sent your grown-ups some sheets today that you might want to do if you want to. If you don't want to do it, that is absolutely fine. I know you're getting a little bit busy at home. There's a lot of schoolwork being set by me and Miss Holly, and now you've got your epic reading books that a lot of you are getting on with, so I know you're working hard. So if you don't want to do the extra sheets, that is absolutely fine. If you haven't got a printer, you can't really print the sheets off anyway, but you could look at them and you could copy them onto a piece of paper if you want to. if you don't want to do that and you just want to watch me now, then that's absolutely perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do today is something that you have done before, but it's really good if you use the Ladybird to do it with, because a ladybird's body is perfect for doubling up the spots. So let me show you. So I'm going to draw some ladybirds now. I'm not going to make them very big, not all of them anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs, a little head, and there's the line down the middle because that's where the wings are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs, and the head. Another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the head, wings. And then I'll do 2 bigger ones here, because if you don't feel confident just drawing it like that, you might want to get a saucer or even a little plate and draw around something like that if you want to do big ones. But you still need 6 legs. Bum, 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 bum. 6 legs, little head. Nobody wants to go anywhere without their head, do they? You might want to give your ladybird some eyes. But remember, this is all about maths. It's not really all about art and drawing, so it doesn't matter too much. What we are going to do today is look at doubling numbers. So the good thing about ladybirds is they all have spots, even if they're different, like the ladybirds were in our ladybird house. Some ladybirds might only have 2 spots. Double 1. 1 here and 1 there. Okay, how many spots altogether? Well, if you want to write the numeral underneath, you've got to look at your number line to help you maybe. If you can't remember what a number 2 looks like, look up here. Number 2. There we go. Double 1 is 2. Now, what about if this ladybird had double 4 spots? So 4 on this side, and because you're doubling, you've got to put the same on that side. If you know how to work that out, work it out. You've got 4 here and 4 there, but I want the number underneath of the whole thing. So 4, 4. If you know what that is, if you know double 4 straight away is 8, you'd be right. But if you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is okay. But by now we should be getting better at our doubles. By now we should really know that double 4 is 8. Right, for this one we'll try 3. 3. Double 3. And a whole number. Double 3. If we've got 3 and we're adding on 3 more. 1, 2, 3 more. We get to 6, don't we? Double 3 is 6 altogether. What about the big one? Shall we go for, let's go for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. Double 5. What is double 5? You should really know by now, and I know a lot of you do. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on this side, 5 on this side, all together makes 10. And if you can't remember what 10 looks like, because you might be getting your things mixed up, you might think, oh, I know it's got a 0 and I know it's got a 1, but that's not the right way round, is it? So check up here first. If you need to write 10, it's up there. 10. And the last one I'm going to go for is, what shall we go for? I think we'll go for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on one side. So what needs to be on that side? If I've got 10 here, how many do I need there? Well, that's right, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 10. Double 10 is the big number at the end. 20. Yes, 20. And again, if you're not sure how to write it, look at your number line if you've got one and put it underneath. Okay, so that's all we're going to do today, folks, is a little bit of doubling. As I said at the beginning, if you want to have a go at drawing your own, maybe you're grown up, will put the first dots in, and then you've got to put the next wing dots in that wing, spots, and then work it out and double it. Or you can print off the sheets or copy the sheets that have been sent to you. Okay, so have some fun, enjoy doubling spots. Hope you don't see spots in front of your eyes because it's so many spots on there. We could get all dotty and spotty. That's why you need your Magic Maths glasses, because they help you see things better. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your Magic Maths, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye for now.